everyone. Let's now get started with ChatGPT. So basically what I told you is ChatGPT can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. So like for example, what can you use it for? You can use it for writing a story, writing a script, writing an essay, brainstorming. You can give it multiple prompts, multiple questions. You can use it for brainstorming, answering questions, okay? From basic to complex questions it will answer and much more. So that's what you can do with ChatGPT. Now, how do you interact with ChatGPT? For that, you have to do something called as basic prompting. Prompting is how you communicate with ChatGPT. Like say, basically, let's look at an example. Like for example, you simply ask like, what is the capital of France? Okay. ChatGPT will respond and say Paris. Okay. So let's take a quick demo. Let's take a quick look of the demo of the ChatGPT. So what you do here is basically, you got to go to a site called as ChatGPT. And this is it will take you to openai.com. So here you got to click on this introducing ChatGPT. Once you go in, it's going to ask you for a quick login. Okay, it's a very easy interface. So it's going to ask you if you want, you can log in, or you can just try it without getting logged in. Let me bring this up here.